Prime's chaotic tectonic activity means we've got to bring boots to the ground to better understand what's going on.
Guess
Members
that
of the Deep Space
I
Vanguard
dropped halfway.
are deploying arc scanners to see what's under the surface.
All units. Gas refineries have been spotted in your sector. Grab the gas fast and get the arc scanning. Be advised, Arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
Request ammo at A if possible.
Alright, engineer heading for Alpha Yellow.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I'm bringing ammo. $200 and closing.
不要杀线，不要杀线，我没有 ammo 啊，跟你讲先。I have no ammo, don't start first.
I'm coming, Southwest.
No, I'm not talking to you. There's two troopers here. They're going to help. But I don't have any ammo or anything to shoot.
I'm around if you need a demolition list.
Arachnid patrol spotted in your AO.
How was that?
Terminate the patrol. Arachnid threat levels are on the rise. Stay frosty, trooper.
Engineer down, 2 cans on the deck, at the lava bridge. 2 cans on the ground at the lava bridge. I'm insta-dead, insta-good. Cans on the deck.
Okay, okay. I'm okay.
Demolition.
2 of them. Next to one of them.
Be advised, arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol. Be advised, sensors indicate arachnid threat levels have risen.
I got your metric.
This sector is under plasma bombardment. Expect casualties. On the bounce.
Warning. The refinery is under attack.
Got you, go.
Trauma stabilized. The refinery is under attack.
Can we get some cover at Alpha Refinery, guys? We're just getting torn apart here. Need some of you guys with the big guns over here. Got a medic and an engineer to lead knife at the refinery.
I was on the way, but got cut down. They know like 3 of us were on the way when we got caught. RTG's building. Oh, fixed.
Trauma stabilized.
Yeah, this is fucking pointless. Go to the other refinery, guys. We've got no cover here whatsoever, and we're just getting bum raped by every bug on the planet. They're trying to dig holes where there shouldn't be holes. Tentacles don't go there.
Alright, got you.
Alright, engineer heading for Bravo.
Bravo, gas?
I'm heading for Bravo gas. We're getting no cover at Alpha. And I don't know if there's a bug hole open, but we literally cannot keep the refinery up. So I'm heading for Bravo to see if it's a little bit more keyword over there. We only need one more.
Arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate
Okay.
patrol. Warning. Arachnid threat has risen in severity.
Bravo will be okay.
Yeah, I'm just heading at Bravo. I'm about 50 yards out. It's keywords here, so wish me luck.
There's a buckle. Wait, the buckle.
Adrenaline administered.
I did mark it all over the seas, but there's a bug surge near Bravo. High priority.
Buckle.
Adrenaline administered.
Why you need?
I didn't give up.
Adrenaline administered.
Brimstone 1, a Vanguard unit has dealt with the plasma bombardments. Focus on the mission and return home.
Okay, ready? We just need one.
The base is under attack in the southern corner.
Go back to base. Oh, no need to fight, we let's go, we have enough. Let's go.
Lost can on the way back. Cavadina dreams as he makes it back.
Enemy arachnid patrol detected. Eliminate it to reduce arachnid threat levels in your AO. Be advised, arachnid threat levels have risen.
Oh, just in time for it.
Keep coming, Donna. I got you covered.
Thank you.
Vital signs critical.
Okay, Donna, you're in the clear. Full troopers, I'll take it.
Yeah, ignore it. The canisters already made it back. We didn't get any cover at that refinery, so don't worry about it. And again, what I will say, orange stims are useless. Take the green ones, medic. You can't be everywhere at the same time. The stims can, and they're a full time. You can also res people with them. The orange
That is
stims,
the last
useless.
one, Brimstone 1. Arc ready and powering up. The slam will bring every bug in your sector to you. Last chance to build any defenses. Get a move on, trooper.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant. The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
I'm trying my best not to shoot you.
So surprised the surge was crazy. Before they even started.
Trooper, you got 30 seconds until the arc slams.
Barely started yet.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
Arc slam incoming in 10 seconds. Sonar pulse looks good. Arc is green across the board. Expect a lot of bug resistance. Defend yourself. Pulse detected. Readings look good so far, Brimstone 1. I am detecting a lot of arachnid activity, so expect company.
Adrenaline administered.
Hey, don't be away my flames.
25% complete.
That's 57. Jesus, that's big.
Someone find a volcano bug. Or volcano bugs, I guess.
Keep that base standing, Brimstone 1. We're reaching the Ark halfway to completion.
It's not like hey, somebody just died in front of my targeting. Oh, Dying Trees, you've been what Dying Trees just come out of retirement, or you just been playing nice and they got back to it. It's kind of same with me as well. Bomb.
We're almost there, Brimstone 1.
Someone say the engineer, please.
That was a single bombardier that did that.
Oh great, I guess I'm blind too. The opposite way. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, guy. I got you.
Get out of my way. Distance. Oh, well, my time's been up. Good luck to you guys.
Well done, troopers. We got what we needed. Drop what you're doing and head to the extraction point. Emergency. Arachnid threat levels have reached critical. Bug horde is inbound. Size indeterminate.
Vulture 1 here. Bike in on the way for extraction.
We're literally just extract.
It looks a little crowded down there. Vulture 1 is inbound for extraction.
They percent might pay the pilot more. Oh fuck.
First aid administered.
You are coming back. You are going back. Sir. Sorry, Magic.